Welcome back to Joe Bob's Garage. This is going to be a little different. I'm going to be making a motor mount here for this 1988 Sportster motor and transmission so I can do some work on it without it falling over and crushing me. All right, guys, let's get on it. All right, here's the motor. Let me get building a stand. Look at that, sitting on that wood. That thing's going to fall off and land on my foot, I'm sure of it. And here's some scrap that I picked up. They should be everything that I need. Yeah, this big piece here, picked that up at Big Iron Scrap in town. 25 cents a pound for steel. That's a pretty good deal. These cost an arm and a leg. God, I wish I had some scrap of that. And this piece here, so that should be everything I need. Oh, one more thing on this motor. When I get around to it, the shifter shaft is missing. So hopefully there's not much more wrong with it. So I'll pick that up. So let's get started building this. I don't know what the hell this is off of. Oh, here I am finally using that 1968 $100 garage sale special drill press. Yeah, works good. Like butter. All right, I used my metal. I think I bought it down at Lowe's. It's a pretty thin wall. I was worried about it, but this is the thickest they had. I don't like it. It blows through too easy. And that's just welding it to itself, which should be easier. But I've got to weld this big heavy duty plate 3/16 to it. And boy, that's just going to be a nightmare, especially with my welding skills. I need something thicker to weld it to. So I went to Metals Depot online and ordered this, and it was like half the price of this stuff here. Look at the size difference in the end of those. All right, and this was half the price to have it delivered to the house. So I'm gonna remake this frame, which I made, that is just crap, and I'm gonna beef it up. So let me get on that. Boy, this thing is not welding right. I'm gonna have to check it out, boy. It's not wanting to turn on me, so let me figure that out. So I think I'm gonna throw a little oil on here, clean everything up, and then tighten it down and see how that works. There's old Birmingham Bob. He's running out the door. Come here, Bob. What are you doing? You gonna help out today? I know. I named him Bob. Birmingham Bob. I got a problem here. Let me see if I can figure this out. Oh, look at there. Oh, yeah. That's nice. When I loosened this up, I had to put a little oil on it because it was just binding up so bad. Apparently, I made it too loose.
When did you learn how to weld?